boost your internet speed up to 20%, right? Guess what? That's possible. Let me show you the trick. Come here and click on Start. Once open, type gpedit.msc. Press on Enter. Once this local group policy editor pops up, come here and click on Administrative Templates. Once open, double-click on Network. Once it opens, scroll down and look for Cure OS Packet Scheduler and double-click on it. As you can see, the state of everything, like the limit outstanding packet, limit reservable bandwidth, set timer resolution, are all set to not configured. So come here to limit reservable bandwidth and double click on it. Once this windows pop up, just click on enabled. Once done, you'll see here is the percentage of the reserved bandwidth by default. So just change any numbers that are in here to like 0 and click on apply. Then OK, and I think you're done. Just try and test your speed, and let me show you the state of the limit reservable bandwidth is now set to enabled. Everything is done. So all we need to do is to browse freely on our web pages, whatever. Now you can test the speed of your network and check if it worked. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe, press the like button, comment and share to help more people, and see you next time in the future tutorials.